feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
In Spanish, poco is an incredibly versatile word, often used to describe a small quantity or degree. To use it effectively, place poco before a noun to mean a little bit of, like poco tiempo, a little time. Alternatively, use it with adjectives to convey not very, as in poco interesante, not very interesting. Remember, poco agrees in number but not gender with the nouns it modifies, so poco becomes pocos for plural nouns, like pocos libros, a few books.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.